I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another quality video to show you how you can make money using your voice. I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to convert your voice into cash. I've already referred to one of these websites in my past video, right? But I'm combining 3 websites today that you can use. Okay, a wider choice of which direction to take. Okay, before I show you the details, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn more about how you can make money using the power of the internet, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Right, we are jumping straight away without any wasting time, my friend. I'm going to show you our first website. And that website is called Voice 123. This is Voice 123, my friend. It says great ideas need great voiceovers. Hire the best voice actors in the world. This is a global opportunity. You can do this from anywhere under the sun. The interesting button for you and me is this one, which says join as a voice actor, right? But we're coming back to it in a second. Let me show you something cool. Right? Just imagine hearing your voice being used by Coca-Cola, the New York Times, 3M, NBC, First Century Fox. It will be fantastic, okay? Right? You'll be listening to your own voice with a smile, okay? Because you'll be having money in your pocket, right? Voice 123 is the top choice for professional voice actors and clients everywhere. Since 2003, more than 25,000 projects have been submitted. And you can see how it works right here. We are not going to waste time showing you this because this does not concern you. This is their announcements to their potential customers. Let's go down to the bottom of the screen. You can come and make money on this website as a voice actor, or you can actually find jobs, voice-over jobs using this website. If you click join as a voice actor right there, it takes you to the application form, all right? So if it is English, British, right? You just click English, British there. You have other choices, right? US, Canada, right? Or any other language, right? You've got a whole list of other languages that are accommodated by this website. So once the language bit is done, then you go to the next one, which asks you what gender and age descriptions match your voice acting abilities, right? Some are good at acting as babies, children, male teenager, male young adult, male senior, female teenager, female young adult, female adult, female senior. Once you are done with that, actually you can check few boxes there if you qualify to do more than one. All right. So then you go to the next one. It says, what are your recording capabilities and options for file delivery? Right? You can tick that one which says digital delivery. It means that you can send your voice or a sample of your voice or whatever project. It can be sent via email, Dropbox, Google Drive, transfer, okay? Or you can do Skype, Zoom, Hangouts, WhatsApp, and so forth, right? So you just tick the boxes that you are comfortable with right here. And then the next one, besides voice acting, what additional services will you offer? Deliver edited and finished voiceover. If you can click that one, if you can do that, you click that, right? Can you add music? Any special effects, right? Produce complete and mastered radio ad. Can you do that, right? Can you write a copy? Can you translate the copy, right? it will be a plus on your side to know more than that, more than one. Okay, if we scroll back to the bottom of the screen, and like I said, you can get a job, voiceover job right here using this website. So if you click that one, that link, it takes you where it says, get voiceover jobs delivered to your inbox, right? So you see that every day, thousands of voiceover projects are posted on Voice 123. Whether you are new to the industry looking for entry-level or freelance gigs, or you are a seasoned professional wanting to voice a big brand commercial, you will find all the voiceover jobs you could possibly wish for right here. And this is how it works. Get invited to participate. Receive invitations to the projects that match your job preferences and budget specifications. Auditions for projects. Submit auditions to the jobs you like and be heard by potential customers or clients. Negotiate and get hired. Work directly with your clients and establish lasting business relationships. Right. So these are the categories of the projects that you can do. Cartoons. Find the best cartoon voiceover job opportunities. Commercial voiceovers just waiting for the right voice. Movies. Voice the next blockbuster movie trailer. Okay? Narration. The best narration jobs are waiting for you. Radio. Audition for the great radio commercial. Video games. Check out all the video game voice acting jobs. Like I said, just imagine your voice being heard on Coca-Cola, Airbnb, the New York Times, and other places. It will be fantastic. Let me take you to the next website, and then we'll check what sort of prizes, what sort of amounts and pay voiceover actors are getting, okay? Next website is called voices.com. I'll take you straight to where you can start to make money. But before we go there, look at the brands that use this website. Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco or Cisco, right? So these are big brands, my friend. And just imagine your voice coming from products from Microsoft or from GoDaddy or Shopify or something like that. It will be fantastic. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Under resources, you see where it says Beginner's Guide to Voice Acting. You click that link. And then it takes you to the table of contents, right? And we are not looking at the other contents right here. For now, because of time, we are going to where it says making money doing voiceover. You click that link, right? How much money does a voice actor make? For voice actors just getting started in the industry, two of the most common questions include, how do I become a voice actor? And how much does a voice actor make? Voice acting salaries can vary widely from person to person and year to year. It is also important to keep in mind that voice actors are typically paid on a per job basis, right? You can read the rest. So how much money can I make per job? Before you can get started in this exciting and highly rewarding industry, you will need to develop an understanding of the range of voice acting salaries that you can expect from different types of voiceover work, right? For instance, if you are providing voiceover for commercials, you can expect to earn from anywhere between $100 for a local radio commercial, right? This is why I'm saying you can make at least $100 per day if you see doing local radio commercial, right? And you can also make up to $10,000 for a national TV commercial. If you are providing voiceover for cartoons and animation, the industry rates generally range from $100 for a short 15-second animation all the way to $10,000 for the starring role in an animated short. You can expect even higher if you are cast to play the lead role in an animated feature film, right? If you are pursuing a career in audiobook narration, the standard rate commonly ranges from $200 to $300 per hour for recording. Since most audiobooks are comprised of about 4 to 6 hours of recording, an audiobook narrator's salary usually works out to be about $1,500. 4 to 6 hours, my friend, that's a day's work, and you get $1,500. This is just a summary. You can get some more information on acting salaries for broadcasts versus non-broadcast work. You can have a look at that. I'm going to show you the last website, and it's called Bodalgo, bodalgo.com. Okay, so this website is looking for professionals only. Okay, so if you are already a professional voice actor, jump on this one. You'll be doing commercials, you'll be doing e-learning and tutorials, you'll be doing corporate narration and presentations, video games and apps and audio books. So what I've just described to you, my friend, is called active income, which is fantastic because almost everyone has got a 9-to-5 job, okay? We clock in and we clock out and we are paid for the hours which we have worked or for a project that we have been hired to work on, okay? But the minute we stop doing any activities, if we stop doing any voiceovers, if we stopped doing any project, then our money straight away goes down to zero. But my friend, let me just give you a cool announcement and say that the internet has leveled the ground for everyone. That ordinary people like you and me, we can now be able to make money on autopilot. We can make money passively. We can make money whilst we are asleep. We can make money whilst we are traveling on vacation. We can make money whilst we are spending quality time with our loved ones, with our family, with our husbands, our wives. We can make money whilst we are doing the more important things of life. We can make money whilst we are traveling and visiting some of the remote places we desired to visit from a long time ago. Why? Because we now have the cash to pay for that. Making money passively, right? So I've got a link in the description below that can give you more detail on what I've just hinted right here, okay? And the link says my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. If you've found value in this video, let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next videos. See you later.